And the only way I've figured out how to tell the difference is to actually open them up. So pretty much all you need is a little small Phillips head screwdriver. Take out the screws and you'll pretty much see right away that or pretty much see right away what the fake one, or which one the fake one is. So let's crack this fake one open. Okay, so now this is what the fake one looks like. Everything looks cheap. Little simple board with the battery being glued to the actual board. Everything looks extremely cheap and fake.